Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be honey chipotle shrimp. And we have some large shrimp here that I peeled and deveined. And as far as the ingredients, we'll be using salt, my personal season, ground black pepper, Louisiana hot sauce, honey, and chipotle sauce. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the videos. Let's get into this video. Okay crew, we're going to go in with 1 egg, and the egg helps make sure that your shrimp turn out real crispy. Then we're going to go in with our black pepper. And guys, whatever seasoning you want to use, you can for your shrimp. Then we're going to go in with our personal season. Then salt, hot sauce, and after the hot sauce I gave it a mix to make sure everything was well combined. Then I went back in with another layer of salt, black pepper, and hot sauce to make sure that everything was well seasoned, because we don't want no bland shrimp. We don't want no bland food, period. And in the comment section, guys, let us know how y'all doing. Let us know what y'all been up to. Let us know if you've been trying out the recipes, and if you have, drop it in the comment section below what you thought about our recipes and how the food turned out. Here's the second layer of the seasoning that I'm going in with. Once again, salt, black pepper, and hot sauce. So I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up, and there you go. The shrimp look really good. They look amazing. They're going to look even better when I put them in that hot grease. So moving along to the flour. Only thing I put in the flour was black pepper, salt, and my personal season. So crew, once I put all the season in the flour, I mixed it really well to make sure everything was combined. And here I am adding the shrimp into the flour. And I'm frying these at 350 degrees. You want to fry them 5 to 7 minutes or until they're golden brown and crispy. And if you got jumbo shrimp, you do those 7 to 9 minutes. But if you have anything under large shrimp, you only want to go 2 to 4 minutes max, because you don't want to have them tough or overcooked.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.
Let's take the first look of the shrimp, and here they are. And you can see that they starting to get crispy already. I'm going to drop them back in the fryer, and I'm going to allow them to finish cooking. Okay crew, so I'm about to get ready to remove the shrimp from the grease, and y'all can see that they turned out golden brown and crispy. And like I said, that egg helps with the binder as far as the flour sticking to them. And here's that famous close-up. And look at those perfect fried shrimp. Ooh wee. You can see the season on the shrimp and everything. I ain't gonna pat myself on the back, but hey, I knocked it out the park. Okay, I went in with a second wave of the shrimp, and I ain't want to bore y'all to death, so I'm just gonna give y'all another good look at the shrimp and another close-up. And after that, I went on and fried some French fries.
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves.
Okay, let's get into our honey chipotle sauce. And for the sauce, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to go in with our chipotle sauce. Then right after our chipotle sauce, we're going to follow that with honey. And here we are adding our honey to the chipotle sauce. And when I tell y'all guys that honey chipotle sauce, you can put that on by anything. And it'll taste good. You can make a burger and put it on the burger and it'll taste really good. And I'm just going to give it a stir here. I promise y'all will not regret making this sauce. It is really good. And the family loved it. The sweetness and the spiciness played off on the crispy shrimp. It was really good. So here we're gonna add our shrimp into our honey chipotle sauce. And we're gonna get them all saucy, all mixed up. You gotta be the boss to make the sauce. And I truly hope y'all enjoying this video. And please don't forget to thumbs up the video and comment on the video.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
Okay, crew, so I got everything mixed up really well. And I'm about to give y'all the famous close-up. Here we go. Look at that ooey gooey sauce. The shrimp's looking good up in there. And the family loved them. They was really good. And we definitely have to make those again. And here's the final plate of our honey chipotle shrimp, along with a side of fries that I seasoned with black peppers and salt and garlic powder. I'm telling y'all, please try the salt, black pepper, and garlic powder on your fries. You will love it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Set post notifications to all. Y'all already know the famous saying. Catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.